Give that back. Brandon, give that back to Belle.
There you go. I'm not opening it.
Go through your stuff, Mama. Brandon, show Mommy what all you got. Let me see.
Mommy.
Show it to me.
Toys. Got cards.
Bella Grace, you're not opening that right now. Sit down and take the stuff out of your Easter basket. Show Mommy.
Whoa. What
Show me.
is this?
What is it?
That's a fire pumpkin.
It looks like bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanna play ball.
You can play bubbles next time you go outside. Maybe we'll go outside today if it's nice outside.
What's this? Superman? Oh my Jesus.
What is it? Ooh.
A Superman? It's a Superman movie. Oh yeah.
Brennan.
A book?
Hey, Bren. What'd you get? Did you get just a basket?
Here, I got a book. I got a book.
Oh, yeah? Brendan, move that blanket so Mommy can see. Right here, the SpongeBob blanket. Move the SpongeBob blanket so I can see. Do not open that soap yet.
Look at me.
Belle. Babe, she's obsessed with these M&Ms.
Yeah, I know.
Tell her, go sit her back down and tell her to go through her basket. What else did you get, Bug?
Green Lantern. Of course.
Ooh.
Sit down.
Whoa. Books.
Let me see those books.
No.
Wow.
Cool.
I think they're coloring books.
Coloring books.
What else you got?
Books. Of course. Can I open my cards now?
Did you go through everything?
Yeah. What's this?
That's an Easter egg.
For me?
Taking pictures of her too?
I'm not taking pictures, I'm taking a video.
Is this for me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I don't know if I'd eat it because I think the Easter Bunny lets it out all night long.
Okay. So what's this? Candy?
How about we don't eat candy? How about we eat breakfast first and then eat candy?
Okay. Then I got to open my card. Okay. Whoa, card! Wow, what's this? What's this? What's this?
Did you see your teapot thing yet? You're going to have to open it so she can get the stuff out. Hey, Bryn. What are you doing?
Then that's a toy. And I'm going to open my toy.
Hold your stuff.
Looks like you guys made up pretty well, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So, Brayden, how many cars did you get?
Um,
Can you count them for me?
I got 3.
Let me see.
5.
Show me. How many is that?
3 is said. I really bite it.
You're not gonna bite it. This is why I didn't want to give them candy. Let me see your other cars, Bug.
I'm trying to open it. Open this, Mommy.
Here, give it to Daddy, baby.
Look.
Ooh. Who's on those, Mama?
Open this card.
Who's on those, Belle? Hey, Bryn. Daddy, look at her. Bryn.
What about her?
She's eating the freaking basket.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, after she gets fucking mold indigestion. Or ingestion or whatever the fuck.
Mold.
Yeah, it's been in the freaking attic.
So just because it's in the attic doesn't mean it's mold.
You got all your cars out?
Not yet. Oh, I said to open my You have to eat. Sweet.
I might see this one.
Which one? I don't know. I bought him 6, or the Easter Bunny bought 6 of them.
Dada.
Let me see if it moves.